My name is Daniel Mahn. I work for Gathering Place. It's a large public park in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I do facility planning and business logistics. The things we manage in the park include buildings, play equipment, sports equipment, everything from expensive furniture to our radio equipment, custodial equipment, everything in that nature. TMA has allowed us to move from a reactive maintenance approach to a proactive maintenance approach, giving us more data on maintenance costs and part usage. Being able to accurately record what maintenance labor is costing us, what maintenance parts are costing us, what custodial supplies are costing us, that has been a great help to us in budgeting for future expenses. I'll admit the best thing that TMA has done for us is the customer service that we have received from their staff. They are first rate, always responsive to our questions and our needs, and I would give them 100% rating every time. It's been a fantastic program, and they're just such wonderful people to work with, very helpful.